Temperature seems to have a lot to do with how matter is.
Exactly. Temperature is the main cause of changes in the states of matter. When the state of a substance changes, it looks or acts different because its molecules are arranged in a different way. But remember, when matter changes state, the identity of its molecules remains the same. Stay with me here. Water is water, whether it's an ice cube or pouring from this pitcher.
Changing temperature can make substances or objects change from one state to another. As heat is absorbed by a solid, the molecules vibrate faster and faster. At some point, the molecules separate from one another. This causes the solid to become a liquid. The temperature at which a solid changes to a liquid is called its melting point. Different substances melt at different temperatures. When even more heat is absorbed, the molecules move fast enough to escape the liquid and form a gas. The temperature at which a liquid changes state into a gas is called its boiling point. Each different substance also has its own particular boiling temperature. For instance, substances that are gases at room temperature have a very low boiling point. Sometimes, without boiling, a liquid can slowly change to a gas. This process is called evaporation. Even when the temperature of a liquid has not reached its boiling point, some of the molecules near the surface may be moving fast enough to fly off into the air as a gas. They evaporate. Water simmering on a stove or wet clothes slowly drying are examples of evaporation, or a liquid turning to gas without boiling. Even some solids, such as dry ice or mothballs, change directly from a solid to a gas without a significant temperature change. Matter also changes state with decreases in temperature. As temperature decreases, the molecules in gases slow down, and the substance changes from a gas to a liquid. It condenses. Condensation is the change from gas to liquid. As the temperature decreases further, the matter freezes. It becomes solid. The temperature at which a liquid becomes a solid is called the freezing point. Just as all boiling points do not feel hot, not all freezing points are temperatures that you may think of as cold. Substances that are solids at room temperature have a very high freezing point. For example, steel